Today I'm going to show you how to install OpenClaw with free OpenRouter API key in Windows. In Google, you have to type OpenClaw, press enter. Then you have to come on this website, openclaw.ai, press enter. Then you have to scroll down and you will see here Windows one-liner. You have to copy this and then you have to open your PowerShell. You see here it is written PowerShell. So do not open command prompt CMD. You have to open PowerShell. In search type PowerShell here and then select the first one, Windows PowerShell. It will open now. Now you just have to right click and press enter. The installation should start now. It has detected Windows and Node.js is already installed. If in your case Node.js is not installed, do not worry, it will do the installation automatically. It can take some time or few minutes, so let's wait. It says OpenClaw installed. I've already read your calendar. We need to talk. It is doing the setup now. Windows detected. Quick setup. Now it says that no menus here. Tell me what you want and I will do the configuration. I look around this machine. AI nothing detected. Workspace gateway runs locally. Private to machine, say yes, and I will set all of that now. So I will say just right here. You just have to write here yes. The first thing it will do is the setup of this API keys, and I will show you how to use your free OpenRouter API key. Let's wait. So it has created workspace, session, gateway, preparing gateway service, no usable model providers configure, so the agent cannot answer yet. Configure a model provider now. Yes, now we will configure our open router. So you will see here model or auth provider, and there are different versions. If you have by any chance OpenAI or Anthropic or anyone, then you can select that. Otherwise, you will come to this option open router, press enter, and then it is asking for OpenRouter API key. So let's go to its website. It is completely free. Type openrouter.ai. You just have to sign up with your Gmail account. That's it. You don't have to do anything. I have already signed up. Now where you have to go, you will click. So this is your profile personal. Then you will go to this profile section. And on the left hand side, you will see this second option, API keys. Now you will click on this new API key. You can say you have to give any name here. Let me write here OpenClaw here. And credit limit, you have to leave it blank because it is free. Expiration, you have to keep it as it is if you don't want your API key to get expired. But in my case, I'm using for the tutorial purpose. So I will just select 1 hour. After 1 hour, this key will be expired. Then I will create click on this create button. It has created. I will copy it from here. Now let's go back to this PowerShell. And here I will select the first option, OpenRouter API key, press enter. Now it is asking me to enter the API key, I will just press enter here. You can see it is copied now, and then I will again press enter. It has configured and default model set to OpenRouter Auto. So it will select automatically whatever model is available at that time. And default model keep current. So I will just press enter. I will not change it. Now it has everything basic is reachable. Use talk to agent when you want the normal agent. Start me when setup, config, gateway model choice or agent routing fails off using OpenRouter. Config gateway is reachable at this. Okay, so everything is set up now. I'll just write hi here just for testing, nothing else. Now to open the UI, we have to go to this URL 127.0.0.1 is to 18789. And if I, but okay, let me finish this running. Hi, OpenClaw's basic plumbing is present. This is the response I got, but the gateway is currently not reachable. So the normal agent handoff is not ready yet. Open a new PowerShell. I will first check OpenClaw version. Okay, it is installed. That's why we are getting the version here. Then I will just say OpenClaw, or maybe let's say OpenClaw Doctor. So if there are any issues, it will find the issue. This install is not a Git checkpoint. And in the meantime, I'll open a new PowerShell. I think it should work now because at that time the installation was going on. I will write here OpenClaw Gateway. Yes, it is working now. So OpenClaw Doctor is if there are any issues in your OpenClaw, it will find that and it will show you that. But now this gateway is working. So you have to start the UI, you have to type here OpenClaw Gateway. You see landing configuration, resolving authentication, and it is starting. We have done the main task of configuring OpenRouter API key. So now you can use it for free. The gateway is running. Now we have to open one more PowerShell so we can go to the UI. I will open this PowerShell and here you have to write OpenClaw dashboard, press enter. This will take us to the dashboard which is running. And here is the dashboard. So your installation is done. You are in the UI and here you can write your messages, you can play with your agent, you can create tasks. So if I tell you about the UI, so this is your main session and here you will have different sessions that you have used so far. This is the important part where you have to configure your model. So here we are using OpenRouter. It will automatically find the best model. Then here you can select the speed. It is whether it's a default or you want a fast one, and you can then click on this save. The reasoning is here by default, it is off. So you can even make it, faster or smarter by dragging it from here, this end to that end. And this is your model provider. Let's save it. And maybe you can just write a normal hi here. You should get an output. So here you will see assistant is responding. This is a message you see. You can also explore this UI. So you have activity, instances, session, usage, cron jobs. Then there are some tasks. These are the different sessions. OpenClaw takes a little time to answer. You can see I've just entered hi, but it is taking a time to answer. Let's wait. You see, for even this high, it is selecting some tools. Maybe I should have asked, hi, how are you? And here I got some error. Do not worry about it. You can close it because it did not find the correct tools to answer this. Maybe I can just say, hi, how are you this time? Sometimes it happens with the agents. So you don't have to worry about that. And here you get the response. Hi there, I'm good. Thanks for asking. How are you? I'm ready to help with whatever you need. If you're not sure where to start, here is a few quick options. That's it. So we have successfully installed OpenClaw in Windows and also configured OpenRouter so you can use your free APIs. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.